Hi everyone, this is Ami from Design More. Today we are going to learn image transfer. So for the material for the image transfer is you required a Xerox paper. So I have a transferred print on the Xerox paper like this. Even you get the ready prints as well. So before doing a transfer, make sure that whatever the print you take, it should be a mirror effect. So print paper should be a mirror effect. So then once you transfer, it will give you the straight effect. As you all can see, when I turn the paper, it's giving the front look. Okay, so this is my back printed look. Okay, so what you have to do is, even if you want to transfer your photo, or if you want to transfer this kind of a print, so if you have a HD photo, even iPhone phone photos works well. For that we need HD photo. Okay, so what you have to do is, you have an option in your phone called beauty, or whatever the option you have in your phone, and you have a option of mirror effect. It's like a flip a photo. So kind of it will flip the photo. And when you go to the Xerox wala shop, you just have to transfer your photo with email. Okay, don't transfer via WhatsApp or anything, because the resolution आपका कम हो जाएगा. So make sure that you give him whatever the image you want. You give him a flip photo ready. Okay, you have to flip the photo first and mail it to the Xerox wala, and just tell him to take out a Xerox in a normal Xerox paper. So not a photo paper. We just need a normal Xerox paper. Okay, so this way you can transfer your print onto the normal Xerox paper. Make sure that it should be a high resolution photo, and it depends the size. If you have a particular size in your mind, so make sure that you just tell him that I want this size photo, and check once before stick on the whatever the surface you want to stick. Okay, so here, as you all can see, I have
Ami,
this parrot. So it's, yes,
hello, Ami.
yeah.
Yeah, I just wanted to ask, suppose we are downloading an image from the internet, and
Mm-hmm.
we want to mirror the photo. So, is
Mm-hmm.
there any setting in Paint or something where we can flip the
See,
photo?
yes, even if you go to, like, if you are doing via computer, so you have a option called mirror image.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, so
I'll
you
try
just
it.
have
Yeah.
to, or the flip photo ऐसे option रहेगा, either mirror image or the flip photo. So you just have to flip it up, and make sure that when you take out the print, it should be a flipped print. So once you transfer the glue, and you transfer opposite on whatever the surface you are taking, then it will come the correct print. So even if you are taking your normal photo, if you are taking your, like, this personalized photo, see, even I have transferred this on the wooden slice. Okay, so for
Okay,
the normal photo, again you have to flip the photo, and then you transfer.
okay, okay. Sure. Thank
Okay,
you. Yeah.
yeah. So this is, I have transferred my own photo on it. So and directly I have transferred on the wooden slice, because I wanted this natural look to be seen. So here, as you all can see, the even the wood grains effect are visible, and it's looking very natural. So, and you see the shine. So I'll show you how to transfer and how to seal the photo as well. Okay. So here I have
Sure.
transferred my photo. And as I said, you can download the photo, flip the photo, and make sure that you Xerox it, and it should be a HD print. And even you get the ready prints as well. So here are the ready prints. It's called Stamperia brand. Even you get the ready prints, but this is very expensive. The one sheet approximately will cost you around 100 or maybe 125 rupees plus courier and plus your taxes. So I would not suggest you to buy these paper, because already you are, you know, having a lot of options on the internet, and even the ready prints locally available as well. So here these are the uh, Stamperia brand paper, and this way, see, as if you want to give a postcard effect like this, so just take out the print, flip the photo, and then you can easily transfer this print on any surface. Even if you want to transfer on the canvas, you can. So here I have all prints. Okay, now even the color prints like this is also available. See, if you want to transfer the vintage print, so here I have a few designs. So this is again readily available, and this is not cheap. Around this is like a 60 rupees a paper, so it's not that costly. Okay, so
From where to get these kind of color paper?
I will share you the contact detail of dealer, so no worries. Even the glue, you might not get this glue, but I'm using international brand. You all can use Itsy Bitsy ka transfer glue as well, so even that works fine. So no, I would suggest, this is made in USA. So I'm using Ranger. It's a Ranger brand. Ranger is a brand, and this is multimedia matte. So to transfer this print on any surface, you require a transfer glue. So here I'm using a multi-medium matte transfer glue. Okay.
Is this available on Amazon?
I think yes. And even one of my dealer is keeping this Stamperia brand का transfer glue as well. So जैसे Ranger brand है, वैसे ही Stamperia brand का transfer glue है. It works same. It's like, I'm using this, so you all can use any transfer glue, that's fine. You just need a curing time, which is like, once you transfer, make sure that it should dry for 24 hours minimum. So they,
Okay.
even on the glue they write, after transfer after 2 hours or maybe 3 hours, but still, I have marked, because once you remove it with the water, because we have to use a lot of water while removing the print. So that's why even if I remove it after 3 or 4 hours, sometimes print wo nikal jati hai. So I always keep for 24 hours curing time, and then I start to remove my print. So whatever glue, even with the Mod Podge, you can transfer the print. So if you have a Mod Podge at your place, even with that, you all can transfer. So there are many brands available in the market. Locally, Itsy Bitsy, you will get it. So Itsy Bitsy has its own transfer glue, and वो quick वाला भी मिलता है कि you just stick and immediately start removing the print. So even that glue is also available. But again, I would say keep it for at least few hours, not at least for 24 hours. So minimum at least आपको 12 hours तो रखना ही रखना है, and then you all can remove it.
Which one is better, or do all they have the same
All,
effect?
yes, all glue, transfer glue is having the same effect. I tried with all glue, but obviously if you don't want to invest in such kind of, because this Ranger brand ka glue आएगा around 600 rupees, whereas Itsy Bitsy around 150 or 200 rupees. So because it's a local brand, so that's why we get it in a very cheap rate. This is made in USA, so when you obviously order this, it will cost you approximately around 600 to 650 rupees. But with this, you do like many prints. So it's okay if you invest a little bit on the medium. so that's fine. Okay, so here the most important is a glue, transfer glue. Then we required a chalk paint because if so, this is a directly transfer. So I've just applied the glue on the print and I transferred it. Okay, on the box, what I'll be doing is I will first color the base and then I will transfer the print so that I want that colored look as well. So whenever I'm doing box, or even if you're doing coasters, or even if you are transferring on canvas, it depends on the print. Okay, so I have transferred here a colored print. I will show you the whole process on the coaster because I have to keep it for 24 hours to dry. So here I have done the color and then I've already transferred the print on top of my box. So here I will show you the same process which I've already done on the box. Okay. So, and lastly, you have to varnish your product. So either you use a spray varnish or the normal varnish we use for the decoupage. So that's fine. Even if you want to spray it, that's okay. Even works well. And if you want that liquid varnish, even that works well. Okay. So here, let's start with the workshop. So for that, I need a color. So first, I will color my base.
Which type of color is this? Acrylic?
Yeah, I'm using chalk color.
Oh,
So
chalk.
again, always use chalk color. Please don't use acrylic color. Why? Because once you start removing your print with acrylic color, वो peel off होता है, because then once it dries, it becomes plastic. So never ever use any acrylic color. Only and only use chalk colors.
Okay.
Yeah. So here I'm taking a color and just dab it with the sponge. So I'm doing on a coaster. You can directly apply the color on the coaster. No need to give any primer on top of it, because anyway we are sealing it with the first with obviously the glue and later with the varnish. So that's okay if you don't apply. Okay, let me dry this. Again, I will apply a second coat on top of it. So I'm taking lighter shade on the base. Why? Because once you transfer the print should be visible, right? So that's why I always prefer a lighter shade on the base. So here I'm giving a final finishing. Once color dries, then and only you stick the print on top of it. So my color is dried. Okay. So I have used a misty fog color. Yes, we have a lot of option in chalk paints. So it's okay if you want to use say pink or lighter shade of blue or lighter shade of any gray color, that's fine. So it's all up to your choice. Yeah,
These are also readily available in local market,
Itsy
right?
Bitsy. Yeah, this is Itsy Bitsy brand. The little birdie is Itsy Bitsy brand only. So you can obviously you all can use any chalk paints, any brand chalk paints. That's fine. So here, say I want to take this butterfly on my coaster like this. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I will mark the area which I want to use on my coaster. See, like this. Okay, so it's covering the full this area, and then I will cut this off.
This is a normal printout paper, na?
Yeah, it's a normal print. Yes. So as you all can see, I've already cut my print, and then once this color dries, and keep your print ready. So here, as you all can see, it's covering my whole surface. So even if you want just the butterfly, you just cut the butterfly and then you directly stick the butterfly on top of it. That's again a one option.
Amy, what is this knife called?
It's a paper cutter.
Okay.
Yeah.
But this looks like a special, some different one.
Yeah, it's specially for the paper. So we cut जैसे हम लोग वो carving करते हैं ना. So for that we use this cutter. So it's called a paper cutter.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Now I will use my glue. So you have to apply 2 times, okay? So here what I'm doing is I'm directly applying my glue on top of this print. So it's kind of a very sticky consistency like this, okay? So what I'm going to do is take a little bit, not much, okay? And don't touch on your print, while applying the first coat of this glue. What happens when you keep your finger on the print will come off. So make sure that whenever you are applying, you just hold it in an area where there's no print. So here I'm applying with the brush very thin coat. Don't apply a lump or a lumpy coat or a very thick coat on it. We just have to apply a very thin layer of a glue on top of this print. So here, see, so this is my first coat. Okay, let it dry this completely, and then again we will apply the second coat on top of it, and immediately we will transfer the print on the coaster. Okay, so let's wait till it dries, because even this dries quickly, and when it dries it will become a transparent and it will give you a shine on the print like this. Okay, so let this dry for a minute.
What can we type in Google for such pictures?
Image transfer prints. So see, it's dried enough, and it's giving a nice shine on the print. Now again I will take my glue. So as you all can see, I'm using a very little glue. So with this bottle you all can make many prints out of it. So again I'm applying my glue. Okay. Close the lid. And take a print like this way. Make sure you hold it carefully. Take your print and gently put it. First, stick the middle part because we have to remove air bubbles from inside. So just आपको घिसना नहीं है. You just have to dab it like this way. Okay. Otherwise, what happens? The transfer process is already started. So you just have to dab it, press it with the cloth, and remove all the air bubble from inside. So here, as you all can see, dab it like this way and remove all the air bubbles. Start from the middle and then you go towards the end. And once it sticks properly, you just roll it over like this way. The circular motion. And this is ready. Okay, and let this dry for 24 hours and then start peeling off the paper on top of it. Okay, so this way I've already prepared my box. So I've already colored my box and this process is already I've done. Let's start the second process after sticking this paper. So do you have any questions for this process, or else I'll move to the next step?
Yeah, hi, Ami. So, can we transfer the image on plastic?
No.
Okay.
Any questions? Because see, we are using water, right? So once we start, as you will see, we are using a lot of water in it. So what happens if we do it on a plastic? Kind of print वो निकल ही जाएगी. So no use of doing it on a plastic.
Okay. Thank you.
Or Ami, can it be transferred in any porcelain trays or plates?
Plates, again, it's a ceramic. You can transfer if the ceramic plate is like matte finish.
Surface
gloss.
should be smooth.
Yeah. Huh,
If the surface is smooth, no, it can be done.
Yes. Yeah.
From where can we get these kind of boxes?
Avni Vyas, I will share you the detail. As I said, I will share you the detail of the dealer. She keeps the MDF stuff as well, even the glue and the prints as well. So you just one shop stop where you can buy all the craft material from there.
Okay, thank you.
Even those wooden slice.
Yes. Yes. So let's move to the next step. So here I have just the plain water. You just have to dip the sponge into the water, squeeze out the extra water and just dab it on the print. ये आपको पूरी print को first आपको wet करना है and then you start removing the print from it. So here I have used the colored print so that you will see the colors as well. So again, take a little bit of a water, squeeze out extra water. So आपको दिख रहा होगा पेपर पूरा wet हो रहा है, and then start peeling off. Okay. Now with the finger, you just have to gently rub on this paper like this. I would suggest you to, take a smaller, sides, and then you start removing the print. Because I have a practice, so I'm starting it directly like this. Or else you just start with the corner first like this, remove the all paper from the corner, and then start removing paper from inside. So make sure that your paper should be wet, okay? Without that you will not able to do this process. Should be wet enough to remove the paper. So see, as the print is kind of visible. Again, I will wet my sponge. As you think, अब तो दिख रही है, print दिख रही है, हो गया. It's not yet done. Once this paper dries, again जो भी अगर paper नहीं निकला रहेगा वो आपको visible होगा once this dries. So don't be in a hurry that हो गया and just let's seal this up. So even if अगर पेपर रह गया और आप सील कर देते हो पूरा बॉक्स, सो आपका वो पेपर दिखेगा. सो जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट यू गिव अ टाइम टू ड्राई एंड लेट देन सी वेदर ये पेपर कहीं रहा है कि नहीं. सो सी दिस, as you all can see, the print is visible, but still there is area where paper abhi bhi hai. So let this dry and then we'll see. I will show you where the paper is. So I'm just drying it with the dryer. See this. दिख रहा है पेपर. So once I showed it, ऐसा लग रहा था कि it's done, but still, as you can see, there is still a paper where we just have to remove it again with the water. So now what you have to do is just wet your fingers. Now don't use a sponge, because then again you will be having a lot of water in that. So just wet your fingers and then gently rub on the print. See, you can see this paper. So just gently from all the side.
Ami, there is a query on chat. You can put a Xerox paper of butterfly and the image, this one is different.
Yeah, I will show you that as well, don't worry. So here I have used the colorful image, and on the coaster I've used the black and white. So as you all can see, even you can transfer the colorful image. So everybody asks कि black and white तो हो जाएगा, color कैसे होगा? So that's why this time I took this colorful image, just to show you that even you can transfer the colorful image. See, my print is, I just scratch a little hard. Just a minute. Now,
And what about we have a oil paint on a wooden box. Can we paste it? We need to apply chalk color again.
yes, you have to apply the chalk color and then and only you start transferring your prints. So what happens, if you if kahin se aapki image remove ho rahi hai. So here I have this black color. So what I will do is, again I will take the chalk color and just apply on the removed area. See this, okay? And this way you can adjust if it is removed or like this.
चॉक कलर को हम और भी कहीं इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं क्या?
हाँ, chalk colors तो बहुत जगह यूज होता है. So I would obviously definitely not suggest you to buy a whole whatever the color available, you just buy it. If you have some picture in your mind, or if you have something okay, I want to use this color, buy that color only and then you use.
Okay.
मैम अगर अपनी फोटो लगानी है हमको, उसका तो थिक होता है पेपर, वो कैसे अप्लाई करेंगे?
नहीं, अपने फोटो भी Xerox पे ट्रांसफर करना है. That's what I said. So this is, I've transferred my own photo. So I took the print of my photo on the normal Xerox paper. Otherwise आपका paper remove ही नहीं होगा ना if you are taking that photo paper.
Okay.
So always transfer the print on the normal Xerox paper, okay? So my print is done. Okay, so this is done. Let the water dry perfectly. As you all can see, there is no paper left on the print. Yeah, and you all can see a colored print over here. Okay, so this way you have to remove a paper on top of your print. Now, so I obviously, as you all can see, this is looking kind of very empty. So I want to just cover the edges from the edges, like the sides of the box. So either you all can use again a chalk color, or use, if you have this kind of ink. So here, as you all can see, I have a black archival ink. So according to the print, you have to use the ink or use the color. Okay, so even if you have the color, I will show it to you with the color as well. So say here I'm having a black color, so I will take this chalk paint on my sponge like this, and this is called a distress effect. So here, this is with my chalk paint. Okay, and another, I will show you to you with the ink. So this is with the ink. This is my applicator. You can use a normal sponge as well. So just take a color into your sponge and just apply it like this way. See this? So the ink will give you this effect and the chalk paint will give you this kind of effect. So that's the difference.
What kind of ink is this?
It's archival ink. Again, I'm using a Ranger brand. It's acid free, permanent ink, and it's waterproof. So even if you apply a water on top of this ink, it's safe. See the effect now. Yeah, so पहले ऐसे empty लग रहा था कि there's something missing. So you know what you have to do is whenever you are transferring even your own photo or something, make sure that you give a nice edge covered so that it kind of enhances the whole look of this photo. Okay, so here even on the side of this box, you all can do it with this ink. So here again on the edge. So this is called sketching. See that? Okay. So from all this side, I'm doing it.
मैम ये जो फोटो ट्रांसफर है ये स्मूथ सरफेस चाहिए इसके लिए उस पर ज्यादा अच्छी तरह होता है या
obviously a smooth surface. Even on the canvas you get that small granules. So अगर आपने ज्यादा प्रेस कर दिया while removing the paper, so क्या होता है वो पूरा print ही उखड़ के निकल के आता है. So make sure that you give a very light pressure while taking off the print. So that the main thing you have to remember कि whenever you are and don't use too much of water, because again वो क्या होता है कि once if the print में बहुत ज़्यादा watery हो जाता है, so what happens वो water की वजह से वो पूरा print भी निकल के आता है कभी-कभी. So always use a very minimum amount of water. Just squeeze out the extra water from the sponge and then you dab it on the print.
तो कप वगैरह पे हो जाएगा मैम इजीली फिर?
कप में हो जाता है, बट अगेन when it is a curved surface, so कैसा होता है कि कभी-कभी curved surface में भी निकालने के टाइम थोड़ा सा इश्यू आता है. So whenever you are trying, don't go for the bigger picture. Take a smaller picture and then try doing on it.
तो मार्केट में मैम जो करते हैं कप वगैरह पे फोटोज हमारी ट्रांसफर, वो इसी प्रोसेस से करते हैं?
It's called a digital transferring, so we are not doing any digital transferring over here.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how to transfer? Sorry.
Yeah. Tell me.
How to transfer the image on the lock side, like the other side, where the lock is.
This side.
Yeah.
So just take out all the screws. Okay. First you transfer and then again you put all the screws back.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So here I have done on the box like this. See, so I have distressed the box from all the sides and on top I've transferred my photo. Okay, so once, see, this is perfectly dried enough, all the water and is gone. Now I will use a Mod Podge to seal this first photo. Okay, so here I take out a Mod Podge.
So I just want to clarify my doubt. I've seen some YouTube video where they said that Mod Podge is nothing but Fevicol and water. So is it
Nah.
really the same?
No, it's actually a very different.
Okay.
Don't use water and glue, because that's why they are selling this product for say around 700 or 600 a bottle. So there is something in it. It protects the picture and all. Don't use Fevicol. This is a waterproof glue. Okay. If you use Fevicol and water, and अगर आपने देखा रहेगा फेविकॉल पे जरा थोड़ा सा भी पानी आता है तो इट्स काइंड ऑफ वो पील ऑफ होता है. ये पील ऑफ नहीं होगा.
Okay. Thank you.
Just give me a minute.
And what if the picture is disturbed and we want to re-picture it? Can we do it on the same surface?
So just take a Mod Podge and I'm sealing on the photo. Even you all can use a normal paint brush, but what happens once this will dry now, your brush mark will be seen. So always use, I would suggest you to use this sponge, because even the application of glue is equal all over this surface. With the brush you might get the brush mark, plus sometimes अगर ज़्यादा कहीं glue लग गया, so it will give the stain on this photo. So always use sponge. Firstly, this will look like this, and once it dries, it will become a transparent. So here I am done with the
Wow.
We have not mixed any water with Mod Podge, right?
No. Never ever
Direct
use,
application.
yes, never use water in the Mod Podge. You just direct apply it. Okay. So
Okay.
as you all can see, it's bright enough, and you'll see the shine. See this on the print.
And what if the picture is not come out properly? Can we do it again?
No, you cannot. Or else what you have to do is, if you are not happy with this print, okay, so again redo the color on top of it, and then you transfer another print on it. Okay. Yeah. Now once you apply the Mod Podge, you use either the spray or the liquid varnish for the decoupage we use. So here I'll be using a liquid varnish on top of it. So just take out a little bit varnish. Take the varnish on the brush, and then the brush apply a layer of
Will the varnish make it waterproof?
Yes, it's a waterproof. Sorry. Again, once this dries, it will become transparent. Again, I will use my dryer. See, it's dried and it's giving a nice shine on top of it. So it's kind of sealed, and even if you use a water, cloth on top of it, you all can do it. And you can, even if you sealed all the sides and all with the varnish, you all can wash this box as well. Okay, so this I have transferred and I've sealed my photo, and see the final outcome. And even on the side, you all can do a stenciling. So I will show you the stenciling as well. So here I am using this this stencil. So here I'll be putting a stencil like this way, and again I'm using this ink. Again, take the ink on this sponge and just dab it. We don't want a full box to be covered, so here I'll be applying somewhere. So don't cover the whole box, otherwise that will not give you the effect which I want, the random look on the box. So I've just applied it on the side and on the see this. So this is a stencil effect. Okay. So this way I'm doing on the front as well. So first I'll be applying on this side. So hold the stencil tightly so that it doesn't move. See this. Okay. And now a little bit on the top. So use the lid. See this. Okay.
So if we do not want the black color, which color should we, or how should we use it instead of ink?
See, we have a lot of colored ink available like this. So we have a lot of colored ink available. So it's not just the black. It depends on the print, which print. So here, as you all can see, I've used a little vintage kind of a print, right? And it has a lot of gray color in it. So that's why, just to combine, just to mix the picture with the box, I have applied the black color.
Okay.
Yeah. So even see here on my photo, I have not done anything. So no outline, nothing. It's just the photo. That's it. And somewhere if we because my
Is it
photo.
a canvas?
No, it's a wooden slice.
Okay.
So what happens, my photo is lighter from the sides. So that's why I don't have to apply any darker effect on the sides. If अगर मेरा background dark रहता and अगर मुझे ऐसा लगता कि yes, something is missing, then and only I will apply this ink on the edge to give a nice effect. Okay.
How much this cost? This wooden slice?
Wooden slice approximately 200 or maybe 225 a piece. So this is a 6-inch wooden piece.
मैम आपने वुडन पीस पे कौन सा कलर बेस कलर अप्लाई किया है कोई?
नहीं डायरेक्टली प्रिंट लगाई है. As I've already starting में ही explain किया, I wanted this natural wooden log का look on my photo. So I have just directly applied the glue on a paper like this. So I've transferred my photo on this paper. I just took out the circle ka area from the print, and then I've applied the glue twice, stick the photo on the wooden slide, and start removing paper the way I did on this box.
माँ ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट वाला को बता सकते हैं आपके पास आर्टिकल कोई बना हुआ है तो?
अभी मैं करूंगी ना, जैसे मैंने वो ये इसमें किया ना कोस्टर में. I will start removing from that as well. Okay, so I will show you that. So like within 1 hour, what effect is there from the slice, I will show you that as well. Okay. So meanwhile, let me complete my stencil part. So just 2 sides left.
These inks are also available in the local market.
With Avni Vyas, yes, she has all the ink. And this is approximately, this ink is for around 320 or something. It's not again that costly.
So suppose we have already some wooden box at home which is varnished one. Can we transfer the image using the same technique?
Yes, if you apply a chalk color on top of it, yes, you all can transfer anything on it.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So as you all can see from all the sides, I've done the stenciling and the distressing effect on the side and on top. So this is ready. And once obviously you are done with the stenciling and you are happy with the the side portion as well, just apply a varnish on the full box and it's like it's permanent with you. You can wipe it, you can wash it. So this is ready and you see the nice shine on top of it.
It's
Okay.
really pretty. Thank you.
Yeah, so this is with the colored image and I will show you now on the coaster as well. Just give me a minute, I'll just wash my all the brushes and come. Now this is my coaster again. I will take my water, squeeze out the extra water. And with very light hand, you see? So now see, again I'm taking just the corner. It's like I'm starting from the corner and then slowly, gradually come to the middle part. Because corner से ही paper निकलने के ज़्यादा chances है. So always first you take off all the paper from the corner and then start removing from the middle. See this, you can see the print. Okay, so this is a black and white print. So again I will squeeze the water. See, even within 1 hour you can transfer your print. But sometimes what happens if you are using a lot of water, or maybe if there is, you know, a bubble, air bubble, which is which we have ignored. If अगर print लगाने के time रह गया थोड़ा bubble part, so what happens अगर जहाँ पे भी अगर air bubble रहेगा, and if we are not sticking paper properly, वहाँ से while removing the print, पूरा print आपका निकल के आ जाएगा. So make sure that whenever you are sticking the paper, so sticking of the paper is also very important. So whenever you are sticking the paper, dab it, like from the middle, start you know, removing air from the middle, then and only you stick the sides. Otherwise अगर air एक भी air bubble नीचे रह गया, so आपका पूरा print निकल जाएगा. So just again things to remember, that whenever you are sticking the paper, make sure that you start sticking it from the middle and then sides. Okay, now let me dry this and see whether कहाँ. दिख रहा है पेपर? यहाँ पे पूरा है. It's there over here as well. Okay, a little bit over here. Okay, so again, now I will just wet my finger because my almost print is visible. So I'll just remove extra paper from the sides. And from here as well. See, I told you from the edges, when the glue is still wet, you will see from the edges the paper is coming off. Yeah. So that's what happened when you do it within, you know, hours time or maybe a 2 hours time. Okay, so I think this is done. And see your black and white print. Now no paper left. Okay. And see, as you can see, there is no shine in it. So once we apply the glue and varnish, it will shine. So this is a black and white print. Okay. So this is ready. Let this dry a little bit.
So can we use hair dryer when like for to help dry this faster?
Yes, मैंने first इसमें यही किया ना. So मैंने फटाफट से hair dry से ही dry किया, and then start applying a Mod Podge and a varnish. Otherwise,
No,
that's
not this, the transfer glue. Like we are keeping it for 24 hours, right?
Yes.
At least. So to like if we want the product faster sometime, so can we use the hair
Yes.
dryer, or will it stick like
yes,
it won't come out?
Yes, you can use hair dryer. But again, as I said, कि वो especially when वो edges से निकलने लगता है. So if you do it quickly or maybe जैसे 1 or 2 hours में करते हैं. So यहाँ से see हल्का सा ही निकला है. So it's not that visible. You can hide it with the ink and all. So that's fine. So see, there is no paper left. It's just the print. Okay, now again, I want to give a nice effect on the side. So I'll be using this again, ink again. As again, it's a black and white print. I'll be using black on the edge like this.
Ami, this ink, I mean, like normal ink pads dry up. That won't happen in this case, right?
No.
This will,
हाँ.
go for
If you-
at least.
Yes, ये मेरा अभी 3 साल से चल रहा है. And it has a lot of ink in it. So you all can use as many as time we want. See
Okay,
this.
okay.
Okay, see I've done the edge. Now it's kind of lifting the whole print. Okay, now I'll be using again a Mod Podge. To seal my project. So here. हाँ, again और एक चीज ध्यान रखनी है. As you all can see, there are a lot of paper, rough paper over here. So while applying the Mod Podge, अगर नीचे का एक भी paper इसमें लग गया, so it kind of ruins the whole picture. So make sure that you just clean the area where you are working, and then and only you start applying your varnish and Mod Podge on it. So just be careful while applying the Mod Podge. So yes, this is done. Let me dry this.
एक कोट ऑफ Mod Podge में हो जाता है ना, या कभी कभी बार बार लगाना पड़ता है, 1-2 बार ऐसा?
नहीं, because we are applying a varnish as well. So here you all can apply at least 2 times varnish if you want. Okay, अदरवाइज ये 2 कोट हो जाएगा ना, एक तो वन ये Mod Podge and then on top of it varnish. So it's kind of we are sealing it with the 2 coats. ठीक है? So
ठीक
here,
है.
yeah, see this. This shine with the Mod Podge. Okay, now I'm applying a varnish on it. So even your coaster, obviously with the front I've applied the varnish. Same way you have to apply varnish, color the coaster black from the back side, and then again you apply a varnish on the back side, and then yes, you can wash this coaster. Again, just dry it up. See this. And good to go. Now you all can use this and see the nice transferred print on it. So even अगर see यहाँ से paper निकल गया सा, so if you are covering the edges with this, so it kind of hides if the paper is like यहाँ पे निकल गया तो, so yeah, this way you all can make these kind of little coasters. You all can make a fridge magnet, even if you have a smaller size in this and you want to transfer even your miniature photo on top of it, use and पीछे magnet लगा दिया and use it as a fridge magnet as well. So yes, this technique you all can use anywhere, on the canvas, on the wood, if you have a obviously ceramic plate but matte. And if you obviously and if it is a shiny, so just cover it with the a primer or maybe a chalk paint, lighter shade of chalk paint on top of it, and then transfer it. So but make sure that you transfer it on the middle side of the plate, because what curved surface में आपका ये thick paper stick नहीं होगा. So if you are transferring on a plate or something, so make sure that you take a surface which is a little bit on the flat side.
ग्लास बॉटल पे भी ये कर सकते हैं क्या?
Yes, glass bottle पे भी कर सकते हो, but again as I said, when it is a curved, जैसे ऊपर की तरफ आप नहीं कर सकते हो. Glass bottle का जो नीचे का part रहता है, you transfer it like ऐसे vertically, horizontally आप नहीं कर सकते.
मैम सिरेमिक टाइल पे भी कर सकते हैं?
हाँ कर सकते हो.
ग्लास बॉटल पे प्राइमर मारना पड़ेगा क्या पहले, क्योंकि वो
of course so वो ट्रांसपेरेंट रहेगा. so if you transfer directly तो वो तो ट्रांसपेरेंट ही हो जाएगा, so वो दिखेगा नहीं. so always apply a primer or a chalk paint on the bottle first and then start transferring it.
एक पूछना था, ये ग्लास बॉटल पे प्राइमर मारना बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है क्योंकि वो बैठता नहीं है.
Apply it with the sponge, so you have to apply at least minimum 2 coat of primer on top of it.
Okay.
So first you apply a first coat, because वो first coat में आपका glass दिखेगा. Okay. Let this dry completely. Then again with this sponge you apply the second coat. आपका glass बिल्कुल नहीं दिखेगा.
Okay.
बॉटल डार्क कलर की ले लें हम, ब्लू या ब्लैक इस टाइप की, उस पे भी लगाना पड़ेगा हमको कलर.
आपको आपकी प्रिंट दिखेगी ही नहीं ना डार्क कलर में. Any more questions? So as you all can see, I have transferred this color print and the black and white print.
अब कैनवास पे कैसे दिखता है दिखाने वाले हो?
और नहीं, कैनवस पे मैंने ट्रांसफर नहीं, इट्स द सेम, वही सब सिर्फ कैनवस पे जैसे ये जैसे ग्रैन्यूल्स दिखते हैं ना, वैसे ही थोड़े थोड़े ग्रैन्यूल्स दिखेंगे, दैट्स इट.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is this coaster wooden?
Yeah, it's a wooden coaster.
Okay.
But it is having just a 2 mm ka coaster, and you all can just transfer the print on this. You all can use पीछे magnet लगा दे and use it as a fridge magnet as well. So yes.
Okay.
Those stencils are available on the local vendor?
Yes, stencil तो easily available रहते हैं. Any questions?
ये हम आपने बोला था स्टार्टिंग में कि मॉड पॉज से भी कर सकते हैं.
हाँ.
तो वो मॉड पॉज से कैसे कर सकते हैं एक बार बताएंगे क्या?
So see, you have to take this print, okay? So instead of the this glue, okay, you apply a Mod Podge on it, and then जैसे ही Mod Podge second coat of Mod Podge wet रहेगा, immediately you transfer it.
तो सेम इफेक्ट आएगा.
हाँ, Mod Podge से भी ट्रांसफर कर सकते हो.
ओके, ठीक है, थैंक यू.
Yeah. So here with box, distress effect, stencil effect, and the transfer effect. And here I have just done the distress effect and transferred the photo. So always use Xerox paper. Don't use photo paper, because there is a difference between the photo paper and the Xerox paper. You just transfer it on a normal Xerox paper.
Okay. So apart from plastic and curved surface, is there any other material where we should not try?
See, glass पे भी if जैसे ये smaller surface है glass की, हाँ, and if you have a smaller print, so जैसे आप सिर्फ यहाँ पे लगा सकते हो, but जैसे ये curved है, so curved area पे तो ये तो आपका paper चिपकेगा नहीं, because we are using anyway a Xerox paper, so there should be a flat area where you all can stick, otherwise curved surface पे ये होगा ही नहीं.
Okay.
Yeah. So even if you have these kind of paper glass, so even you transfer, if you have a print and Mod Podge at your home, so just try and do it on that. But again, paper glass पे जैसे ही आपका पानी लगेगा, so it will wet. So again, you have to think in that way कि आपका पानी लगने वाला है. So use the base accordingly.
Okay, thank you.
Even if you have a natural, जैसे ये तो wooden slice है, ठीक है, and if you want to transfer on, जैसे वो क्या उसका wood का नाम है, I will show you that. So even I have this wooden, natural wood, okay, so even you want to transfer your photo on this wood, you just directly apply the glue and transfer, so that even ये छोटे-छोटे wood grains वगैरह है वो दिखेंगे आपके photo. So even that, this gives you a nice look. And then if you have, say, if you are transferring your family photo in middle, okay, and with the stencil you just apply like any written things you want on top of it. So this way even you decorate it and just पीछे hook लगा दो, so this will be your wall piece.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is a natural wood. And ये mango wood की slice है. So this is a little bit on a brown side, and this is on the more of a whitish side.
Blank is also from Avni?
हाँ.
Okay.
she customizes it, so it depends what size and all you want. Accordingly, you just order it to her.
मेटालिक पे भी कर सकते हैं क्या सरफेस पे, मेटालिक सरफेस पे?
हाँ, मेटल सरफेस पे भी कर सकते हो. Again, metal surface पे if you are doing it, apply a coat of chalk paint and then you transfer it.
Can we share the number of Avni Vyas?
Yes, Papya will share it to you.
Okay.
So all the links and of the product names and
Yes.
all will be shared, right?
Yes. Don't worry
Okay,
at
thank
all. Everything सब share करेंगे Papya, and I will share it to her as well. So I've done more. I've done on the bigger boxes as well. So even on the wooden slices, Papya has already shared few photos on the group as well. So yes, you all can do it that way as well.
मुझे कैनवस पे भी देखना है, अगर आप शेयर कर
Canvas पे भी है. I will share you the photo.
Okay.
Canvas as well.
ओके.
Yeah. So yes, that's it from my side. I hope all of you all have enjoyed the workshop, and whenever you are stuck, whenever you are trying, I would suggest you to try on the smaller surface first, like go on a smaller size, and then if you are happy with the results, and because first time में आपका pressure का issue आएगा, so whenever you are removing, so first time आपको pressure issue होगा, so take a smaller portion, don't directly jump onto the bigger surface, try it maybe on a coaster, or if you have something wooden piece available at your home, try it on the smaller area, and then if you are confident enough, then go for the bigger surfaces.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
that's
you
it
so
from my side. Hope all of you have enjoyed the workshop.
Yes,
All
it was very nice.
downloads.
Thank
And
you.
I
That's
will
fun.
help you out whenever you are doing or whenever you are stuck in a particular process. You all can watch this video as well. So even with this video, you all can do it by yourself. But yes, if you are stuck and if you really need my help, you all can call me anytime.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so
Thanks,
much.
Ami. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye bye.